Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Today we're going to do our what sold video, our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay January 20th, 2022. Today's the 21st. As you can see on the screen, 17 orders, $153.64. Nothing on HIP. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is the humor comic train conductor, full car, always room for one more. The buyer bought 7 of these, and I had 7 more left in back stock, and I've already relisted and updated the listing. So almost a $21 order there. And those came in the auction from August, and literally pennies into those. This is a Alaska brown bear, real photo, circa 1950s. There's that. Yeah, I probably paid 50 cents for it. Let me see the artist. Johnston. I didn't work that into the title. I probably could have worked that into the title easily. $7.29 for that card. Next, giant postcard. Wendover, Nevada, State Line Hotel, giant cowboy, circa 1950s, chevron sign, the OV inventory control for oversized card, and it's a big card. It's like 5 by 8, 8.5, something like that. I messed up and offered free shipping, and this is probably gonna have to go first class and not eBay standard envelope, so I'm only gonna make, I don't know, $4 on this or so. I think I paid I paid $1 for this at a postcard club meeting. Next we have Wikiwachi, Florida Mermaids Underwater Theater, number 2. I bought a whole bunch of these, probably 30 of the Mermaids at the York Postcard Show. Probably paid 80 cents for each of them. I always try to pick these up $1 and under. So $7.50 for that one, and the same buyer wanted this one, Cinderella Tries On Glass Slipper. I've never seen this show live. Touristy trap type of gimmicky thing. I don't know. Anybody ever been to this? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. $7.50 for that card. And this place is still in business. I think I just saw a documentary on them from just a couple years ago. Merced Lake, California, Yosemite bathing beach. For a split second, I almost said Yosemite. So Yosemite, $7.19 for that card. Next 2 cards went to the same person. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, aerial view, 3 Rivers Stadium, Steelers Pirates. Looks like a Steelers game going on there. That is no longer in existence. This is from 1992. $2.49 came from the auction in August of 2021. And another view of the 3 Rivers Stadium right there. And $2.49 for that one. This is Anaheim, California, Disneyland, Tomorrowland view of Matterhorn Mountain. E17 is the number on the back of the card. Right there. And sold for $5.99. Might have been a best offer for $5. I'm not 100% sure. Conneaut Lake, Pennsylvania. This is the Conneaut Lake Park, Kittyland amusement park rides, circa 1950s linen. And even though the date says 70s, let me see, the postmark was 70s. So maybe, yeah, 50s. Did I write 50? Yeah, 50s. $18.24 for that card. Hollywood, California, 1950s Sunset and Vine Street view, old cars, NBC studio. So there's that. And it sold for $3.50 on a best offer. Babe Ruth, all-time greats, 1975 tops. So there's that one. I guess, common stars from this set, $5-6. You know, your bigger ones like Babe Ruth, Jackie Robinson, stuff like that, $14-15. And I've seen it, some ball card collectors who collect these actually send them off for grading. So $14.99. Next two cards went to the same person. Artist signed Alice Luella Fiddler, 1909, women white dress, cane. There she is, and the signature is right there. And there's the back of the card. $10.59 for that card, and same artist, same buyer for that card. $10.99. Next, this is my maroon background era, circa 2013 maybe. This is Old Postcard, Motel, Petersburg, Virginia, $6.99. In fact, I don't even have a picture of the back. Wow, very old. Brunswick, Georgia, Deck Lounge Seafood Restaurant, probably 1950s. And they could have used the same sky in this. It was kind of bleak. If you're not familiar with the Same Sky postcard, if I find it, I'll put a link to it in the description. Or you can just Google Same Sky postcard and you'll get the same result. $5.99 for that card. Patriotic Washington's Birthday, New York Reception, Oath of Office. It's a Tux, and that's about the going rate, $7 for these cards. I think Tux may say 9 or 10, but 7 seems about right. And the last card, official souvenir postcard, 1904, St. Louis World's Fair, Palace Liberal Arts. Best offer of $5. Kind of rough condition. There's that. So $5 on best offer. And just a reminder, tonight, 6 o'clock Eastern, I will be on with Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Going to talk about a whole bunch of things. Hope you all get to join in and leave some questions in the chat. So tonight at 6 Eastern. Looking forward to talking to Chris. It's been way too long since we've had a conversation. Okay, this weekend there'll be a Bolo video coming out on Saturday, all about beach towns, and Sunday got a premiere about the postcard lot I just won off of eBay. That's it. Thank you for watching.